today I'm going to open this Entei, a Blazing Volcano Theme Deck. And now let's start opening and let's see what is inside this Entei deck. Here's the playmat, the counters, the guide, the coin, Entei, and code card. Here's the Entei, and we're going to see what we got in this Entei deck. All 5 energies. Energy. Houndoom, Marlo, energy. A Professor Q, a Torchic, another energy. A Lily, Rescue Sketcher, energy. A TV Reporter, a Tate and Lisa, Naspo, a Sylveon, energy. A Convention. Orndoka, energy. Akira, Blaziken, energy, a Guzma, Switch, a Rescue Sketcher, Hedra, energy, a Naspa, and Torchic, and energy, a Guzma, a Counter, energy, a Time, a Sager, a Combustion, Knuckle, energy, a TV Reporter, a Houndoom, energy, a Copycat, a Time Rebel, another energy. Professor, Entei twins, a Guzma, Ultra Ball, energy, a Torchic fan, and Torchic, energy, a Big Massa, a Blaziken, energy, a Magikarp, and a Hounder. Now, if you liked the video, then subscribe to it.